Welcome to Newdermo product show. This time we will introduce our FM03 LED neck mask to you. This mask has 4 kinds of light therapy effects and 2 usage modes. M is manual mode. A is automatic mode. Automatically switch between different lights. Red light 5 minutes, blue 4 minutes, yellow 3 minutes, multicolor 3 minutes. The total time is 15 minutes. Press switch button for 1 second to turn on the red light mode. Red light display for both sides. Red light can promote and improve blood circulation, anti-inflammatory and reduce swelling. Pain relief, lightening of dark spots, suitable for all skin types. Press again to turn on M2 for blue light mode. Blue light display for both sides. Blue light inhibits oil secretion, balances oil, and effectively sterilizes. Treats acne, suitable for oily skin and acne-prone skin. Press again to turn on M3 gear for near-infrared color light mode. Front near-infrared color light and back near-infrared color light display. Near-infrared color light increases skin moisture level and improves skin roughness. Press again to turn on M4 gear for mixed color light mode. Multicolor light display for both sides. Mixed color light gathers a variety of light, sterilization and anti-inflammatory. Anti-aging suitable for all skin types. Press again to power off. Welcome to Newdermo product show. This time we will introduce our FM03 LED neck mask to you.